FUNCpad is a new fully configurable control surface included within MSP. FUNCpad is whatever you want it to be. You can use it as a standalone panel for simple switching tasks, from something as simple as turning a sponsorship bug on and off, or cutting in a live reporter to a host broadcaster feed. You can also use it alongside a main Maverik panel, so a second operator can perform subtasks like ISO record switching, screen feeds, or even replay effects control. It can be used to build large, complex control surfaces. The ability to edit the layout can be disabled to avoid unwanted tampering. MSP runs on Windows and provides full GUI control of a Kahuna. In addition to control GUIs, it gives the user the choice between a switcher-style control window or the new FUNCpad. When you're logged off, go to Panel Config, then MSP, or you can dial in menu 087. FUNCpad runs on the virtual panel, so we need to select FUNCpad. And here we also select whether the operator is able to edit the layout of the FUNCpad. With Edit on, when we log back on, we see the FUNCpad window and we can start building. Hit the cogwheel, top left, to enter edit mode. To add a button, hit the plus sign. Every time you hit it, it will add a new button in the center of the screen on top of the last one. By clicking on the button, you can drag it around. Click on an edge and you can resize it. Click on the button and then the cogwheel to get to the Edit button pop-up, or you can just right-click on the button and go straight to the Edit button pop-up. Here at the bottom is where you can enter the macro number you want to attach. Each button can have 2 levels of text, and these can be taken directly from the attached macro or clone name, or they can be given a specific button name. These lines of text can be changed in size. If the macro has a bitmap, this can be shown on the button too, and the size of that can also be changed. The lamp color can follow the color of the macro or clone, or it can be given its own color. Whenever you add a new button, it's always the size of the last button that you edited. And to remove an unwanted button, simply drag it off the top of the screen when you're in edit mode. In addition to attaching macros via the pop-up, macros and clones can be attached in the normal way from a GUI window. Macros are attached from GUI menu 76, and any button can be cloned using the copy, clone and paste clone buttons. Having built the desired panel, we can now save it in Panel Config using the FUNCpad enable. We can now set the FUNCpad to edit off. When we log back in, all the other windows are removed, and the user cannot tamper with the layout of the panel. The window does show a log off button. So with MSP, all you need is a PC or laptop and a network connection to your Kahuna mainframe, and you can have as much or as little control as you want. MSP requires an option license on your Kahuna family product. Contact customer support for further details.